Hello YouTube, we are back. It is Turbo again. Like I said in the other video, I will be doing another video on the rest of the cards. So let's get right to it. Okay, so we got Aledmus Diaz. He's a shortstop for St. Louis for the Cardinals. We got Steven Strasburg, pitcher for Washington Nationals. We got Juan Gonzalez, outfield for Texas Rangers. Ooh, Topps Future, the franchise. We got Beyond No Park. Weird, I don't know. No Park. We got cool. That's a pretty cool card. We got Justin Verlander, pitcher for Detroit. Man, look at his leg up there. That's acrobatic. We got Roxter Clemens, pitcher for Boston. We got Xander Bogaerts, shortstop for Boston Red Sox. I know this guy. Okay, that's the first pack. So we are moving on into the second pack. Oh, these things keep getting tighter and tighter. Okay, we got Adam Jones, outfield for Baltimore Orioles. Cool. We got, finally, Arizona Diamondbacks. We got Peter O'Brien, outfield for the Arizona Diamondbacks. Yes, Jose Fernandez. Oh, he died. So sorry for him. He died on his boat. Pitcher for Miami Marlins. Got new digital trading cards for the mobile. We got Nomar Garcia-Barra, shortstop for Boston Red Sox. We got Adam Wainwright, pitcher for St. Louis Cardinals. Got Ivan Rodriguez, catcher for Texas Rangers. Okay. Our third pack so far. I like these cards. Oh, you can see that's my trash pile right there. Box. Scissors just in case. We got Mike Moustakas, third base for Kansas City Royals. Got Edwin Encarnacion, DH. Oh, designated hitter. Yes, I almost forgot that one. For Toronto Blue Jays. We got Byron Buxton, outfield for Minnesota Twins. Ooh, another special one. Light Force Robinson. This one's old. Let's see. Ooh, Boston, second baseman. We got Cole Camels, pitcher for Texas Rangers. We got Carl Yazekmis, outfield for Boston Red Sox. And we got Jason Puig, outfield for Los Angeles Dodgers. Okay, we are in our fourth pack. Okay, we got Mike Trout, outfield for the Angels. We got Miguel Pineda, pitcher for New York Yankees. We got Max Schreiser, I don't know that name. Pitcher for Washington Nationals, we got Jose Canseco. Outfield for Oakland Athletics. Ooh, yes, Ichiro. Got Ichiro. Outfield for Miami Marlins. Ooh, New York. We got Mike Plaza. Catcher for New York Mets. Yes, Chris Bryant. That's Chris Bryant right there. Third baseman for Chicago Cubs. That's my favorite player for Chicago. Love that rookie. Not a rookie anymore, but I love that guy. Okay, nice one to end this pack. Let's see if our hope is up again. Okay, we got Francisco Lindor. I know this guy, Lindor's shortstop for Cleveland Indians. Ooh. Joe Morgan, second baseman, Cincinnati Reds. Got Masahiro Tanaka, looks like a Chinese guy. Pitcher for New York Yankees. Another digital card. We got Jung Ho Kang, shortstop for Pittsburgh Pirates. Show that for you. There he's batting. Yes. Jake Arrieta. Yes, pitcher for Chicago Cubs. Yes. And we got Starlin Castro, second baseman for New York Yankees. Okay, we are moving into our last pack. Let's see if our hopes are up. Okay, for the start, we got boom, Jose Reyes. Got shortstop for Colorado Rockies. I like shortstop. Favorite position. We got Nelson Cruz, designated hitter, Seattle Mariners. Ooh, catcher finally. Somebody catching the phone. We got Brian McCain, catcher for New York Yankees. Ooh, unique unis. Alex Gordon, Kansas City Royals. May 18, 2014, Kansas City League throwback. We got Addison Russell, yes, another Cub. Shortstop for Chicago Cubs. Let's see, we got Josh Donaldson, oh yeah, I know this guy. Third base for Toronto Blue Jays. And we got, for the last one, Mark Teixeira, first baseman for New York Yankees. Thanks for watching, guys. Like this video, comment down below if you like this one more than the one before. If you haven't watched the one before, watch it. It's all these cards over here. All these over here. Okay, guys, like, subscribe. Peace out.